So in this tutorial I'll show you how to download Warzone on your PC for free. First of all, go to your any browser and type Call of Duty. Then you can see the Call of Duty. It's a Call of Duty official website. Make sure callofduty.com, and you can see this kind of interface. Then you have to go to your games and press on COD Warzone. Then you can see 4 different options. You can download it on your PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net or Steam. So if you have Xbox, then go to Xbox. If you have Battle.net, go to Battle.net, and if you have Steam, then go to Steam. So I am going to battle.net. Once you press on, then downloading Call of Duty, wait a couple of seconds and just press on a save. Then you can see it's downloading. Then press on this icon and press on yes, and downloading file, wait a couple of, and then you can see this kind of pop-up. So if you already have Battle.net account, then just go to sign in, and if you don't have, then create a free Battle.net account by by clicking here, or you can log in with your Gmail or Xbox or Facebook or Steam, all accounts. So I already have an account. Just press on login. Then you can see Call of Duty is installing, and press on continue and press on start downloading. It's a 93.40 gigabyte required. Press on start downloading, and then Battle.net, this interface is loading, and you see it's now downloading. It's depend on your internet speed how much time it's need. So once done, just play. You can see the play option, then press on play, and now you can enjoy your game. So that's it. This is how you can easily install Call of Duty on your PC. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.